Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. I'm gonna give you, summer's getting start now, guys, and we need to prepare something for summer. And I'm started doing some drink, and basically I start this drink. This one gonna be ice cream, blueberry, and strawberry. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and please leave your comments. Very important for Chef Ricardo and the team. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. And also, if you got too much money, donate some to Chef Ricardo Cooking Studio, which is coming out very soon. And also, get a copy of the cookbook, 50% off. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely, guys. Basically, I want to simply say to you, you can see all of my ingredients, which I do have right here. So basically, this is some blackberry, which I'm going to be blending first. So let's put in my blackberry straight inside of the smoothie blender right here, just like this, and I'm gonna blend everything. I'm not gonna leave back any of this blackberry. Lovely. Then basically I'm gonna put a little bit of honey because of the sourness, just to kill it. So I put a little bit of honey, and then I'm gonna just simple cover it like this. Simple. Blend this roughly about 3 to 4 seconds. Because of my blender, I got a smoothie blender, but this one does give me the flavor where I need it. Alright? Nice and lovely. So that's the blackberry. Alright? So basically, if you get the blackberry and first pour it straight inside of the glass like this. Alright? Nice one. So now we're gonna rinse out my glass, my smoothie bottle. Nice and lovely. Then basically what we're gonna do next is get some ice cream. We're gonna blend up some ice cream. Alright? Not too much. We just wanna get that whiteness towards it. Alright? And I'm using vanilla ice cream. Basically, you can use your favorite ice cream which you like to use. I'm not gonna tell you which one of your ice cream you'd like to use, but I'm just using my ice cream right here. And basically what I'm gonna do is just put a little bit of milk in it to free up the blender. Alright? Then cover it, and then simple give it a nice lovely blend for roughly another 2 to 3 seconds. Nice and lovely. So basically, if the ice cream is a little bit too thick, you can always pour a little bit of milk in it, because sometimes the ice cream can be a little bit too thick. So just put a little bit of milk in it, more milk in it, until it get the way you want it. All right, nice and lovely. So that's it right there. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna simply pour it just like this. As you can see, that nice lovely white color. Then what we're gonna do, we're just gonna simply rinse out my smoothie blender now, and I'm basically what we're gonna do now is get that nice lovely, the strawberry gonna give it a nice lovely flavor, because it's just 3 different color combination, and as I can see right there, start to getting that beautiful look which you are looking for. So we're gonna put some strawberry inside of it just like this. I'm already washed my strawberry, so I'm just gonna put some in like this, guys, and then we're gonna put the strawberry on top of it because it is red, and you have a bright nice lovely color when it on top of it. So nice one. Then we're gonna put a little bit of honey just to kill the sourness of it. Sometimes they're a little bit sour, and simple cover it like this. Then get it blend for roughly another 2 to 3 seconds. All right. Nice and lovely. That's finished. So as you can see, there's nothing too complicated and what's gonna take too long. Then basically it's gonna pour that right on top of it like this. So you're supposed to see that nice lovely color on top of it just like this, guys. The only reason why you're not gonna see the whole full red color because I put too much of the blackberry. I should be cutting back a little bit of the blackberry. But if you're gonna do, you can do 3 color. And that's what I was gonna do. A nice, lovely 3 color blackberry drink. Hopefully you like the recipe and subscribe to the channel with ice cream and strawberry. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. We got a lot more recipe, a lot more ideas coming out like this right here. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We got a lot more stuff for you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.